Good morning guys, and in front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select additional settings, scroll down and mark backup and reset. Here go to reset phone, and now mark reset all settings. Confirm by tapping on reset all settings. One more time click on reset all settings to confirm that you're aware that you will lose all setup on your device. If you do have kind of lock screen password, pattern, fingerprint, whatever, you will have to provide it before removal of all data. So that's it. As you can see, system settings have been reset. You can even notice it on the DIMM. It has been already switched to classic one, and all the setup has been also removed. So now just customize your phone from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.